Hi, in this lecture we will understand how we can implement IAM permission. Let me open the subscription. Open IAM. Now you can see we have opened the IAM and whatever users are having access to this subscription are visible on the role assignments. Let me click on role assignments. So there are two users which we can see are added over here. One is the user, another is group. If I want to see what is my access itself in this subscription, I can click on check access and click on view my access. You can see it is showing me that I am having service administrator access and having full administration permissions on this subscription. Let me close this. If I want to check access of a different user, I can click on check access, specify the name of the user, for example Atin. You can see this user is having owner permission on this subscription. Let me close this window. Let me close this window as well. If I add any user in the deny assignment, then that user will not have any access to this subscription irrespective of roles that user is having in role assignments. Let me click on role assignments. Now you can see that this particular group is having owner permission and Atin Gupta is having owner permission as well. In case I want to change the permissions of these users, I need to delete these first. And I will now add this user as a reader. Now the user has been removed from role assignment. Let me see if this user is having the right to the subscription. Let us log in this user in a new incognito window. Click on sign in. Yes. Now you see currently this user is not having any permission to the subscription. If I click on subscription, I will click on add by logging in with the admin user. Let me give only the reader role to this user. Click on next, select member. Since this user is the member of the group, I will click on demo group to add this group as a member of this assignment. Click on select, click on review plus assign. Now let us see the new user is having what kind of permissions. I have switched my window to the new user. Let me refresh the entire screen. You can see the user is having the permissions. Let me see what kind of permissions the user is having. Let me click on virtual machines. Let's try to create a new virtual machine. You can see the virtual machine window has been opened. If you see, there is an error. It is showing that the user does not have authorization to perform action. Now let me show you what are the different other roles which can be assigned to the users. Let me switch to the admin user window. Over here, if I click on roles, you can see that there are various roles which are available to be assigned to the users on this subscription. We can use any role based on our requirement and assign it to the user. The role can not only be assigned on the subscription but also to the resource and the resource group. If I open any existing resource, then I can assign the IAM roles to those resources as well. Let me open an existing resource. I have opened IAM of virtual machine and you can see the same kind of interface is available to this virtual machine. All the resources which are created in the subscription are inheriting the permissions which are given at the subscription. So if I open the role assignments window, you will notice that this particular virtual machine also having that group which we have added at the subscription level. it is having the reader role as we have assigned in the subscription, and the scope is subscription inherited. Why? Because we have added this role in the subscription. If I want to delete this role from here, I will not be able to do this because it was assigned at the higher level, which is subscription. Let me try this. It is saying inherited role assignments cannot be removed. Let me click on OK. So now you can understand that the roles which we assigned at the subscription level are inherited at the resource group level as well as at the resource level, and the permissions which are assigned at the subscription level are imposed on the child resources of that subscription. Nobody can remove those IAM rules from the role assignments if those are assigned at the higher level of that particular resource. Thank you.